Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a learning worksheet in Canva. It's super easily and it only takes about 1 minute. Perfect for teachers who want quick but professional classroom materials. First, just open Canva like this, and then next just go to template sections. Just click on learn it, and then just choose your country, and then just select your grade. For example, like this, choose your subject, and then just choose your topic. Like this, everything is selected. Canva will instantly generate worksheet. Like this, you can see it. The Canva will automatically generate worksheet designs like this. You can see it. And the best part is these worksheets are fully editable. You can just tap on create activity with AI like this, and then in here you can just change or edit more further, like maybe change the text, change the color icons, or maybe add an image and add your school logo, or maybe edit your student names sections and many more. Just edit it as you like. So instead of designing from scratch, Canva will help teachers save a lot of time while still making interactive learning materials. And okay, that's it. Easy, fast, and beginner friendly for all teachers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.